Imagine being able to retire while you're still young enough to enjoy it. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, we'll show you exactly how you can lay the groundwork for an early retirement in your 30s. These steps aren't just for financial experts. They're for anyone ready to make smart money moves. Stay with us till the end, because we've got a real-life example of someone who used these exact tips to retire early. Let's begin with number 1. Maximize retirement contributions. One of the best things you can do is focus on saving for retirement. Take advantage of accounts like a 401k or an IRA that offer tax benefits. If your employer offers a matching contribution, make sure you're putting in enough to get the full match. It's essentially free money that can grow over time. By increasing what you save, you can use the power of compound interest to help your money grow faster and get you closer to your retirement goals. If you're able, consider opening other retirement accounts, like a Roth IRA, to give yourself more options for tax-free withdrawals and to build a stronger financial plan for the future. Now, at number 2, diversify your investments. Building a balanced portfolio is a smart way to protect your money from the ups and downs of the market. By spreading your investments across different areas, you can lower your risk and still have a good chance of growing your wealth over time. In your 30s, it's a good idea to focus on a mix of investments that can grow quickly, like stocks, along with safer options like bonds or real estate. Stocks can help your money grow faster, while bonds and similar investments offer more stability. If you want to try other options, you could look into things like real estate investment trusts, REITs, or index funds. REITs let you invest in real estate without having to buy or manage property yourself, and index funds make it easy to invest in a wide range of stocks without picking them one by one. By keeping a variety of investments in your portfolio, you won't rely too much on just one type, helping you stay on track, even when markets are unpredictable. Next, let's look at number 3. Build an emergency fund. Having a backup fund is a cornerstone of any strong financial plan, especially if you're aiming for early retirement. Life is full of unexpected challenges. Job loss, sudden medical expenses, or urgent home repairs can disrupt your finances in an instant. By setting aside enough savings to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses, you create a safety net that allows you to handle these surprises without dipping into your retirement savings or going into debt. An emergency fund not only provides financial stability, but also brings a sense of peace and confidence in your money journey. It ensures that your long-term goals, such as early retirement, remain intact even when life throws you a curveball. Ultimately, this fund becomes a powerful tool to keep you on track while safeguarding your future dreams. Up next is number 4. Reduce high-interest debt. Debt with high interest, especially from credit cards, can really slow down your journey to early retirement. Interest costs on high-rate debt build up fast, taking away money you could be saving or investing. Make it a priority to pay down high-interest debt as soon as you can, starting with the accounts that charge the most. Lowering your debt frees up more of your income for investments and stops expensive interest from eating away at your wealth. Ready for number 5? Invest in yourself. One of the most impactful ways to boost your earning potential is by investing in yourself. Whether it's through learning new skills, earning certifications, or pursuing higher education, every step you take toward personal and professional growth opens doors to new opportunities. These investments can lead to promotions, higher-paying jobs, or the ability to transition into entirely new career paths. Even taking on side jobs or developing a passion project can diversify your income streams while enriching your skill set. Think of personal development as a powerful tool for increasing both your earning potential and your financial resilience. The time and energy you invest today can pay dividends tomorrow, bringing you closer to achieving your financial goals, whether that's saving for retirement, building a dream business, or simply creating more financial freedom. Investing in yourself is one of the smartest moves you can make. It's an investment that never depreciates. Now let's move on to number 6. Automate savings and investments. Making your finances automatic is one of the simplest ways to make sure you're steadily growing wealth. Set up automatic transfers from your main bank account to your savings and investment accounts every month. This approach takes away the urge to spend and helps you stay on track, letting your investments grow without needing constant management. Automating your contributions to retirement and investment accounts also makes it easier to stay committed to your plan, no matter what's happening in the market or in your life. Let's dive into number 7. Keep lifestyle inflation in check. Lifestyle inflation, when your spending increases as your income grows, can quietly sabotage your path to early retirement. It's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle as your career advances, but these small, steady increases in spending can chip away at the extra income that could otherwise fuel your financial goals. Instead, strive to maintain your current lifestyle even as your earnings grow. By resisting the urge to spend more on things you don't truly need, you can redirect the extra income into savings, investments, or paying off debt. Over time, this disciplined approach can dramatically accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. Living below your means doesn't mean sacrificing happiness. It means prioritizing long-term security and the freedom to enjoy life on your terms. By keeping lifestyle inflation in check, you're building a future where your money works for you, not the other way around. Here's number 8. Consider real estate as an investment. Real estate has long been a proven strategy for building wealth and creating passive income streams. If you have the resources, consider investing in rental properties. They can generate steady monthly income while appreciating in value over time. Plus, as property values rise, you build equity that can be leveraged for future investments. If managing properties feels overwhelming, real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer an alternative. REITs allow you to invest in real estate markets without the hands-on responsibility, giving you exposure to the sector while staying diversified. Adding real estate to your investment portfolio not only diversifies your assets, but also provides a tangible and reliable source of passive income that can bolster your long-term financial security and retirement goals. And finally, let's talk about number 9. Regularly review and adjust your plan. Your financial journey doesn't happen in isolation. Things like the economy, major life events, and career changes all affect your progress, so it's important to regularly review and update your retirement plan. Take some time each year to check your investments, savings habits, and financial goals, making adjustments as needed to stay on track. By staying flexible and proactive, you can handle life's changes while staying focused on early retirement. Starting these financial strategies in your 30s builds a solid base for early retirement. By focusing on smart investments, cutting down debt, and keeping a careful eye on spending, you can set yourself on a path to financial freedom. The effort you put in now will lead to a future where you're in control of your time and your choices. A great example of someone who uses these strategies for early retirement is Mr. Money Mustache, real name Pete Adeney. Adeney is well known in the financial independence retire early, FIRE movement, and he retired in his 30s by following many of the tips mentioned here. There you have it. These simple money moves in your 30s can set you up for a future of financial freedom. If you're ready to make the most of your money, hit subscribe to join our community. And don't miss our next video, How to Turn $1,000 into Passive Income Streams, Step-by-Step Guide. Let's keep building your path to early retirement together.